Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today's lesson is over, function or not. We're going to tell if a relation is a function. First, let's define function. A function is a relation that pairs each input to only one output. All that means is x cannot repeat. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Our first examples are graphs. So let's look to see if our x's repeat. To test this, we have a special test called the vertical line test. The vertical line test just means to draw a vertical line through any point on your relation. If it hits more than one point, it's not a function. So if we look at the first graph on the left and I draw a vertical line through, it doesn't matter where, any point on the relation, if it hits more than one point, it is not a function. So this one only hits one point, so yes, that one is a function. In our second graph on the right hand side, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw my vertical line through any point here. You can see that when I draw this line, I actually hit 1, 2, 3 points. So this one is not a function. Our next examples are mappings. Remember, x cannot repeat, so I really don't even have to look at the y values at all. I can just look at the x's. In a mapping, if there's two lines coming from the same x, it is not a function. So 3 only has one line, 4 only has one line, and 5 only has one line. So this is a function, yes. Our second mapping, again, we can cover up the y's to see if one of our x's repeats. If you look, -1 has 2 lines, which means it goes to 2 different outputs, making it not a function. So that one's a no. Our last examples here, we have a table on the left and a set of points on the right. So let's first look at the table. Remember, x cannot repeat, so I just want to look through the x values to see if one of them repeats or not. So 0, that's the only one. 1, we have 2 of them, which means x repeats here, and so no, it is not a function. For our point, remember a point is x comma y, which means the x values are first. So I'm just going to underline all the x values. We have 4, 6, 7, 5, and -1. Looking at those, none of them repeat, so this one is, yes, a function. Thank you for watching, and for more math tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.